What's up, guys? A lot of people have this problem, including me. I started to record a video, it's like 1 hour, and at the end I realized that there is no voice in the video, and I was pissed off because it's really hard to be in that situation. So that's why I made this video, guys, to help you fix this problem. You will never have this problem anymore after you follow the steps in this video. You want to click settings, as you can see here, and you want to search for privacy. Okay, you want to search for privacy, as you can see here, privacy. After that, you want to search for microphone. As you can see, this is microphone. And what you want to do, guys, you want to enable, you want to turn on all these here. Okay, Chrome, you want to turn it on. As you can see, I turned Chrome on. Instagram, turn it on. Messenger, turn it on. Snapchat, turn it on. TikTok, turn it on. WhatsApp Business, turn it on. WhatsApp, turn it on. YouTube, turn it on. Now, what you want to do, guys, to fix this problem forever, like you will never have this problem anymore. Now, you want to go back, okay, and you want to swipe up, as you can see here. Swipe up again. If you can see here, guys, you want to click here. You want to press and hold, okay, on the microphone on here where you can record your videos. You can just press and hold for 1 second, and this will pop up. And probably you have microphone turn off. You want to turn this on, like you see here. It says for me on, as you can see. It says on, but for you it will say off. You want to click it. You want to click here, and it will say on. And now try and see if it works. Hopefully, guys, this video helped you. If it does, please drop a like, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Hopefully, guys, this video helped you. Let me know in the comments if it works. If it doesn't, let me know in the comments. If you have any questions, I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.